Hey everybody! So today I'm going to be working on a 14 by 14 canvas, and I have my colors right here. These are leftover colors from the painting I did with I think I used these with the pearl white, and it kind of turned out looking like an alien, which was kind of cool. But I changed the pearl white to the DecoArt satin enamel, this one here, and half of that, and then half of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. So I'm going to be attempting the cloud effect, and I'm going to be using these colors. This one is yellow, and it's from the Fine Touch. And this one, I think it's the last of the color of that one. It's Artist Loft Deep Red. And then this one is from Liquitex Basics. It's Cadmium Red Light Hue. And those were, like I said, those were leftovers, so I thought I would just practice my cloud effect and use those. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to be putting the white in the bottom. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and some water. And there's no silicone in these paints at all. Let's see, we'll go yellow next. Some more white. And I don't have a lot of this. It looks orange to me, but the light red hue. That's about it. A little bit more white on top of that. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Okay guys, I will take you in for a close-up. So I really like what's happening here. It's really pretty. And then I have that up in the other corner. The rest of the painting, it just looks very soft. And I like that. Alright, so hopefully this dries really nice, and I don't lose any of this because I really like that. Alright, so stay tuned. I will be back when it's dry. Okay everybody, here it is all dry. Give you a close up there. It dried really exactly the same. I just turned it. I really like that section there. The colors are just so pretty. And then over in the other corner, I really wish I had more of that. But I did get the cloud effect, so that's good. That's what I was looking for. And it's just still very soft. I really do like that. And then I did a little one because I had a little bit of paint left, and that turned out pretty cool too. Alright, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.